I have a long trunk and big ears, and I love peanuts. Who am I? It's the elephant. I hop and jump, and I love carrots. Who am I? The correct answer is rabbit. I have black and white stripes and look like a horse. Who am I? Zebra. That's correct. I am slow and carry my house on my back. Who am I? Turtle. I have a pouch and love to hop. Who am I? The answer is kangaroo. I am a farm animal, and I give milk. Who am I? The correct answer is cow. I have a curly tail and love to roll in the mud. Who am I? The answer is pig. I can fly at night and say, hoot hoot. Who am I? That's the owl. I can copy what you say. Who am I? The answer is parrot. I am pink and stand on one leg. Which bird am I? The answer is flamingo. I am black and white and cannot fly, but I love the cold. Who am I? The answer is penguin. I can run very fast, but I cannot fly. Who am I? It's an ostrich. I make a loud cock-a-doodle-doo sound in the morning. Who am I? It's the rooster. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fun videos. Bye.